In this video, I'm going to
how
show
you can
easily remove Messenger button from your Facebook page. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and you need to open up Facebook app. Once it is done, tap right here to go to menu. And now we need to switch from our main Facebook profile to that page. To do that, I'm gonna tap right here at that arrow. And now we need to choose our page from that list. Once we've switched to our Facebook page, we need to tap at Pages. Profile picture here to go to it. After that, top right
Add
here, these 3 dots to go to Page Settings. And that's where at the second position, we'll find Edit Action button. Now I'm gonna tap right and here, as you can see, we have a message button added to our page. And then to remove it from here, all you have to do is just hit at remove. Basically, guys, save this video is helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button.